everyone. In today's video, we will learn how to build an app using AI. Zero coding required. In 2015, if you wanted to build a mobile or web app, you had two options. Pay a developer 5 to 10 lakh rupees and wait 3 to 6 months, or spend months learning Swift, Kotlin, React Native, or full stack development. In 2026, neither of these is true anymore. You can describe your app idea in plain English, what it does, who it's for, how it should feel, and AI will build it for you in under 30 to 40 minutes, sometimes faster. And no, I'm not talking about a clunky no code prototype with limitations. I'm talking about functional, professional, deployable apps with real authentication, databases, real time features, and even mobile responsiveness that you actually own and can ship. In this video, I am going to walk you through exactly how that happens. We will cover what Gen AI is and why this moment matters. Why knowing how to build apps is one of the highest leverage skills you can have right now, whether you're a professional, a student, freelancer, or entrepreneur. And then we'll go tool by tool through the best AI app builders available today. And then we'll actually build one together, live, using Replit, step by step. If you have been putting off building that app idea because it felt too technical, too expensive, or too time consuming, the video is going to change that. Let's go. The first chapter is what is Gen AI and why it's collapsing the barrier to app development. Before we build anything, let's understand the moment we are actually in. Because AI is changing everything has become such a cliche that people stop listening. So let me be specific. Generative AI, Gen AI, is a category of artificial intelligence that doesn't just process or analyze data. It creates text, code, images, video, audio, and now entire applications from a simple instruction in plain language. The reason this matters for app building specifically is this. For the last 20 plus years, creating software required you to speak the machine's language. Programming languages, frameworks, databases, deployment pipelines, you had to translate your idea into code. That translation step was a massive barrier. Gen AI removes the translation step entirely. You speak in human language. The AI produces working software. The app appears. Now let's talk about scale, because this isn't a small trend. The global low-code or no-code market has reached $28.75 billion in 2026 and is projected to hit $264 billion by 2032, growing at a 32.2% CAGR. AI-powered no-code platforms specifically are exploding from around $4.93 billion to $24.42 billion by 2030 at 30.6% CAGR. Low-code or no-code tools now power over 60 to 60% of new app projects. AI adoption in app development is at 84%, with VC funding and enterprise users surging. ChatGPT and similar platforms crossed hundreds of millions of users, and tools like Replit Agent are making full app creation accessible in the browser. What does all of this mean in practice? It means that skills that used to be kept behind computer science degrees and years of experience building real apps, shipping products, solving problems with software are now accessible to anyone who can think clearly and communicate well. A professional can build an internal productivity tool. A freelancer can ship a client portal. A student can launch their hackathon project or portfolio app without a dev team, without a massive budget, without writing a single line of code. That is the shift, and it's not coming, it's here. Now let's talk about why you specifically should care about building apps. The next chapter is why knowing how to build apps is a power skill right now. Let me make the case directly. Who needs to build app in 2026? Professionals and teams. Internal tools, compliance checkers, productivity companions. Building them yourself saves thousands and gives you control. The hiring landscape and workplace efficiency demand it. Personal branding through tools you create sets you apart. Freelancers and entrepreneurs. The global freelance economy is worth $1.5 trillion plus, with 38% of the US workforce freelancing. Professionals who can ship their own tools or client solutions earn significantly more. Visibility, credibility, and custom solutions justify higher rates. Small businesses and startups. With billions of app downloads and the mobile economy surpassing trillions, lacking custom software makes you invisible or inefficient. AI eliminates the excuse. Students and Gen Z builders. Over 50% freelance or side hustle. A personal project app built with AI is gold for portfolios, hackathons, and interviews. Here's the bottom line: an app is no longer a luxury, it's an asset that compounds. And now, building one takes less than a detailed project brief. Let's look at the tools that make this possible. The next chapter is the AI app builder landscape. Tools you need to know. AI app builders in 2026 have split into clear categories. Understanding them helps you choose right. The first category: hosted no code builders, quick, visual but platform locked. The second category: code first AI agents, generate real code you own, deploy anywhere, more powerful for complex needs. The free tools are durable or similar quick builders. Fastest for simple apps, under a minute for basic business tools, great for testing ideas. Bolt.new runs a full environment in browser powered by AI. Excellent for quick functional prototypes and web apps. Free tier available. Best for tech comfortable users wanting speed. V0 by Vercel generates high quality React or Next.js components and UIs from prompts. Ideal for front end heavy apps if you are handing off or learning. Replit Agent, the tool we'll build with today. Free to start, browser based full IDE with powerful Agent 4. Now, the paid tools which are worth the investment. Lovable.dev, best for full stack web apps, generates React front end plus Supabase backend, authentication, databases from plain English. Perfect for MVPs with user accounts and dashboards. Plans from around $25 per month. Hostinger or Wix or Framer equivalents for apps. Strong for simpler hosted experiences. Squarespace or Webflow AI. More for advanced sites with app like interactivity. Developer grade or agentic cursor or Claude Code. For those wanting deeper code control. Anti-gravity, Agent First IDE, great companion tool. Replit Agent 4, the new game changer. Launched with major updates, it's a complete AI-powered development platform in the browser. Powered by advanced models, it features an infinite canvas for visual design, parallel agents working simultaneously, autonomous planning, debugging, and one-click deployment. Free tier available, supports web apps, mobile optimized experiences, databases, authentication, and more. Currently one of the most capable for turning natural language into production ready apps. We are going to use it next. Alright, let's actually build something real. I am going to build a beautiful, fully functional lifestyle companion app called Lumina Life. This app helps busy professionals and students discover events, track wellness, manage tasks, and enjoy daily life with AI powered insights. Everything will be 100% functional, and we are doing this live, step by step, so you can follow along and build your own at the same time. Total time under 30 minutes from zero to published mobile app. The first step is getting started on Replit. First, open your browser and go to replit.com. If you don't have an account, sign up quickly with Google or GitHub. It's completely free to get started. Once you are in, a chat interface opens. Now, before we type anything, select the mobile preview mode. Why mobile first? Because Lumina Life is designed as a delightful mobile experience. Selecting mobile option tells the agent to optimize the entire user interface layouts, touch interactions, and responsiveness for phones right from the beginning, giving us that native app feel we are searching in the reference designs. The next step is the magic prompt plus why planning mode matters. In the chat interface, this is your mission control. Paste or type this powerful prompt. But here's a crucial pro tip. Always ask the agent to give you a plan first. Type something like, give me an implementation plan first. Why is this so important? Without a plan, the agent might rush into coding and miss the overall architecture, UI flow, or specific colorful card styles we want. The planning step forces it to think strategically. It sketches the full app flow on the infinite canvas, lists all files, components, database schema, and how each feature connects. This saves massive time and gives you control to make corrections. It's like briefing an entire development team before they start building. The next step is reviewing the plan and starting the build. Take a moment to read through the plan. Does it capture the vibrant yellow, pink, and green card design, the event discovery, wellness trackers, tasks, and AI insight? If everything looks good, simply say, plan is good, start building. Now watch what happens. The agents activates multiple AI agents working in parallel. One is designing the beautiful front end with tailwind and those delightful gradients. Another is setting up the Supabase backend, authentication, database tables for tasks, events, health data, and real time subscriptions. Another handles drag and drop, charts, and the AI Insights panel. This is agentic development in action, autonomous, collaborative, and incredibly fast. The next step is reviewing the build app. Once the build finishes, usually in just a few minutes, the app appears ready on the canvas or preview. Let's quickly review. Beautiful home screen with discover, create, enjoy, colorful activity cards, event details with live charts, wellness dashboard and real meal trackers and heart rate graphs, drag and drop tasks and AI insights. In this demo, everything matched perfectly, so I didn't need changes. But if something needs tweaking, just tell the AI, make the health cards exactly like the bottom row in the reference image or improve the mobile navigation. The agent updates instantly. The next step is publishing the app. Now that we are happy, click the publish button. Watch as the agent autonomously handles the entire deployment process, optimizing building assets, setting up hosting, and generating a shareable mobile preview. And it's live. Replit gives us a clean URL and, most importantly, a QR code for instant mobile testing. The next step is viewing your app on real phone. To experience it like a real app, download the free Expo Go app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Now scan the QR code shown in Replit. Boom! There it is, Lumina Live running smoothly on a real phone. Let's quickly demo it. Swiping through events, adding a meal and seeing macros, updates, dragging tasks, getting fresh AI insights, checking the beautiful charts. Everything works, real time, persistent, functional. We just went from a simple text description to a complete, published, mobile ready app in under 30 minutes. No coding, no developer team, no waiting weeks. Let that sink in. This is the power of Replit in 2026. We just built a real functional productivity app using AI on Replit. No code written manually, no team hired, no complex setup. I want to end with the bigger point because this isn't just about apps. What AI is doing right now is not replacing technical skills. It's making technical execution accessible to people who have ideas, domain expertise, and problems to solve. A professional who can ship their own tools, a freelancer who prototypes client solutions, a student who launches impactful projects. These are the builders who will move forward in the next decade. The question has never been, can AI do this? The question is always, do you know how to direct it? That skill, clear description, smart review, intelligent iteration is what this channel is about. So subscribe so you never miss a video. And if you built an app following this video, share the link in the comments. We will genuinely love to see what you made. To summarize what we covered today: 1. Generative AI has removed the barrier between your idea and a working app. Markets are exploding at 30% plus CAGR. This is transformative. 2. Building apps is a power skill for career growth, freelancing, business, and personal projects. 3. Tools range from quick hosted ones to powerful agents like Replit for full ownership. 4. We built a complete productivity app in Replit. Planning, parallel agents, customization, instant deploy. If you want deeper dives on any tool, drop it in the comments. See you in the next video.